morning. Good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday. Blessed Sunday. I just heard what sounded like outside the window, like if you had like wet grass, like which is what's out here in the morning. If you like jumped on it with both bare feet, it would make like a splashing sound. Like kinda like I don't know. Differently from if you had shoes on. Like it's like loud. So I don't know. It was so loud. And it's like dead silent outside. So like I heard it like clearly. Right up against the house. So like I don't know. Whatever. I just came out to look real quick. I don't know if I'm gonna post this or not. I always just talk as I film, just in case I do choose to post it otherwise. Excuse me, guys. It's not even 5 a.m. yet, I don't think so. Oh shit, the sprinklers are gonna come on. I don't know if that's my sprinklers. Turn the flash on, see if that does anything. I try to leave it off and see what that does first. There was the first glitch, so. Turn it off again. That's what I was going to show you guys the other day. Right? This guy has a yard that's like to die for. It's a little invasive, I know, but so cigarette smoke. I apologize. It's hard to see at all right now. Sorry, this is pointless. But you can hear the running water. He's got this huge. It actually has an electric fence around it, which makes me wonder. But like. But it's this huge pond with like bamboo shoots. The bamboo actually grows up under my fence. That's how far the bamboo grows. The bamboo actually comes and creeps up under my fence. Like it's crazy. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Anybody back here this morning? You guys here? I heard you. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. I'll check you out later tonight, okay? I promise. I'll come check you guys out tonight. It'll be an evening thing, alright, guys? I think. I never really know what's going on. My son's here, but sometimes he goes and hangs out with my mother. And stepfather, and they go and do stuff, so I end up with downtime that I didn't foresee, so. So these are all the walking sticks they ever gave me, along with my fishing poles. I don't know if I ever showed you guys, actually. They gave me this staff, and it had a bone. It had a skull. I thought it was a skull, but it wasn't. It was like a pelvic bone. But it had a pelvic bone on the top. I put the still photos on Facebook, but I know some of you aren't on Facebook. And the pelvic bone was rested right on the top, and it looked like a skull. It was cool the way they left it for me. Where they left it. It was right at the end of the live stream. It's pretty amazing. I think I'm gonna get it. I don't know. They know I have a bad back and everything, and I have bad balance. So like, I used to ask for walking sticks when I was real bad. So they used to give it to me. But I might. This one I particularly really like, so I might have it. I might have it like stained or something. I don't know if that's kind of taboo or not, but I really care for this one. So I actually wrapped this up instead of my scooter. So it's a little ridiculous, man, but whatever. Look, even this guy looks so. I know this is crazy, right? But like this is shit you gotta look for, right? Look at this little subtle tree snap right here. This is stuff that they do that I notice that's different. That's stuff that I noticed that's different. That's something that was done differently. Like there was just this little break here, boom. Alright guys, so anyway. Oh, damn. It's a little early. I didn't have the best quality. I didn't have the... Jesus. Sunday. I'm yelling Jesus' name in vain. Sorry. I don't have the best quality of video up right now. I'm using the best quality of video, so it looks a little cloudy, so I apologize. Here it is again. No, it's not. I saw something over here that looked different than just sun shining through. Whatever. We'll see them later. Alright guys, have a blessed Sunday, and hopefully I catch you later. I don't know why this just is fogged up. That's not really the way to go out. Trying to go out on a good note. There we go. Okay guys, have a great Sunday. Have a blessed Sunday. Thank you. Talk soon.